Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking upgraded Omega character in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the face mask, which is really cool looking. So we just start out at the eye area, and we're just going to draw, it's kind of like an angle. Okay, and then from the middle here, we're just going to draw, just kind of pinch it into the side. So this is the eye area. It's very simple. And then from here we can draw down, come down his face. So we just draw two lines to his side, and then we're going to come in. Okay, and then from here draw a middle line. So this is his front face of the mask, and then we're going to come down. Okay, and then we're going to pinch it in toward the end. So from here we're going to draw the top. So right in the middle here, let's draw a little line in the middle, and we're just going to go up. So these are very cool looking horns. Okay, just kind of hook it back, and then we're just going to come back in to the face mask. All right, and then from here we can, from the top here, just kind of draw a little angle, and then we're gonna round it off. That's gonna be the top of the head. And then we're gonna keep coming down on the side, just kind of come down right about the eye area right there, and just kind of hook it back in. And then from here we can draw the side. So there's a little bit of detail here, so we'll just come out on each side, and just kind of slant it back in a little bit. And then this part we'll just kind of follow this other line. So we're just following it all the way down, and then just close it. So we're coming in, just follow the same angle and close it. And then from here let's draw a little arc just on the side right here. Okay, and then we can add in a little line right here just to make it a little bit more complicated. Okay, so that's the head, and it's really cool looking. So let's move on to the body. So right here on the side, just gonna come down, and we're gonna close it off. And let's add a little bit of detail inside his neck. Okay, so now we're gonna draw his shoulders, and he's got these thick shoulder pads. So from here, slant down, and then we're gonna go out. So this is his shoulder, nice and wide. Now we're gonna come in a little bit further down, and then we just kind of slant it, or just connect those 2 points. Okay, so those are his shoulder pads, and so now we can draw in the rest of the body, and this part is easier. So we'll just kind of pinch it in all the way down to his waist. Okay, slant slightly, and then close it off. Okay, so that's gonna be the upper torso, and let's add in some detail right now. Then we'll just come across here, straight line across, and now we're gonna draw in the this little glowing things on him. So this one's gonna be easy, so just 1 and 2, and then right here, just kind of come down and just kind of go out again. So we're just drawing like a little angle, and then once you draw that angle, just draw another one. So this is it's gonna be the glowing strip. Okay, and then from here we can add in some of the details on his abs. So we just kind of go right here, just 2 lines, just kind of go down, and then we just add in just give it a little bit of curve this way. We'll go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's move on to his arm before we move down to the legs. So from here we're gonna continue his arm comes out, line right here, just kind of curve it. So it's almost like another shoulder pad. And then in here, this draw is got the little strip again, the little neon strip. So it's close to the edge. Alright, so now let's draw the arm. So we're gonna come down here. And then we're just gonna close it off with a slant. And now this is gonna come out. This is elbow right here. And then here's this lower arm. And then just close it. And then for his hand, his thumb, back of the fist, fingers folded in. And let's see, let's add in, he's got a little spike here right on his elbow. Okay, and then it's got that neon strip again. So right on the corner here, just draw a little curve. And then we just gotta draw another curve. Alright, so let's move on to the other arm, and it's gonna be pretty much the same. So right around here, we're just gonna curve it down. Close it off. Elbow. Arm, curve it. And then this one's gonna curve all the way down. I'm gonna close it off. Come down, just hook it for the thumb. Back of the hand, and then his fingers folded in. Alright, and then the little spike on the elbow again. And then once again, the little neon strip. One curve, and then just follow that same curve. And I almost forgot he's got two little spikes on his back here too. So just right around the corner, just kind of go up. Okay, just go up and then turn it back down. Alright, definitely looks a lot meaner with those. Alright, so let's move down to his hip. So this part's a little bit easier. Just gonna come down. And then down the middle here, we're just gonna close that off. Okay, and then we gotta draw in right around here, this little corner here. Just draw in a circle, little arc. Okay, so just draw another one because this is gonna be the glowing part again. So right here, just kind of curve it all the way to the corner. Just give it some thickness. And let's finish this off with a little bit of detail. Just draw a little curve down here, and then we just gotta draw one more. Alright, so let's move on to his legs. So his legs are a little bit easy to draw. So we're just gonna curve it out, and we're gonna continue this curve. Have it go out, come in. And then for his knee pads right here, we're just gonna go up and just close it for now. Okay, and then we're gonna come down, and then we're just gonna close it. Alright, so let's draw the other side. So it's pretty much the same. So we'll use that as a guide. Curve it out, come back in. Knee pads, just go back up and close it off. And here we just come down and just close that off. Okay, now for his lower leg. So we're just gonna flare it out, come in, close it, dome shape, close it, a little bit so, and then here in the middle, just draw like a little line across and just go out, because there's some detail in this leg, this armor. Alright, so let's move on to the other side. So it's gonna be the same. Flare it out. Pinch it, just give it a slight curve. Close. Dome shape. Just a little bit of so, and then again, right here in the middle. Okay, let's add in, there's some details here on his armor. Just kind of comes straight down in the middle, just kind of slant it all the way down, and then just turn it right there. So turn it out to the side, and then it's got those two strips here again. So we'll just draw one, and 2. So we can go 1 and 2. And that is it for this awesome looking Omega that's been upgraded. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.